Chattanooga, Tennessee. A fantastic job they do. If you've never made it to a junior championship, you're going to see it tomorrow. All the police officers and the public works people, that downtown area where they...
You gotta cut to the right.
No, it's counterintuitive. You gotta cut left.
I know how to drive.
For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna be up there and do a rain jig so it don't rain. 19. Good luck, y'all. 18.
I thought we were going to be in storms all day.
Fish on!
How's our day going so far, guys?
Not good.
What's been the problem today?
The fish won't bite.
We figured it out. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The reason we haven't caught fish is because they won't bite. Why haven't you caught any fish today?
I don't know.
Team here, Mackenzie Muntz and Gavin Sanderson representing that Black Swamp. Good bag of fish, guys. Good job. Just get them settled in there. Looks like it's going to be around 14 pounds and 2 ounces, 14.2. Guys, good job. That's a second place right there for you, Black Swamp. Well done. Grab your fish if you want. Hold them up. Hold some fish up there, Mackenzie. Hold some fish up.
Sorry.